Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. The video is about quick unboxing of boAt Bassheads 152. This is one of the best option of wired earphones under 500 rupees. I ordered it through Amazon. I'll provide the buying link in the description. As we see, we get the braided cable here. The quality of the cable is very good. The quality of earbuds are very good. It has inbuilt microphone also, and also we get the media control button here, and also in the box we get this extra earpiece, a warranty card, also we get the user manual, and as always the boAt sticker, and also this time we get 3 or 4 other stickers as well. Overall the earphone is very good, the audio quality is also very nice. So that's it for this video. This is a very quick unboxing video. Thanks for watching the video.